Hello all. So we are going to see how BD user is going to create a site post site duplication check. So once the BD gets to know that there is no records of site which he has checked via site duplication check button, the BD user then click on this site tab and click on this new button. As soon as the BD user clicks on this new button, he can see a form which populates in front of the BD user. So the user needs to fill in the data. The first parameter, that is verified duplicate site, does not exist. This needs to be verified by the user himself. That is, if a particular site which he is looking for doesn't exist in the system, then the user will click on this system and he will select the respective option. For now, the user is seeing that there is no site which he is searching for in the Salesforce system. So he will click yes. Next comes site name. So I will be entering a site name as Aund. Next comes site contact name. I'll be entering a name like Vikas Duchal. Next comes site contact mobile. Next comes the site type. Okay, so you can see there are various options over here, and if the user selects some others, so he can enter some other values also. So for now I'm selecting this commercial sites. As you can see, there are two parameters, that is site stage and site status. So currently the user selects new, but as soon as the user selects one stage, the site status changes to ongoing. As soon as the user selects on lost, it gets selected to lost. The site stage when selected to completed, the site status also gets selected to completed. So these two parameters are interdependent on each other. Next is expected start date and expected end date. Expected start date is when the BD user is expecting when will I expect to add products to this particular sites, or in more simplistic way, when is the user expecting that this site will go to a stage wherein products will be supplied. So for now I'm entering a random value. Next comes actual start date and actual end date. Here these two parameters will be auto populated. That is, when on this particular site products are getting added, at that time the date will be punched for actual start date. Next comes actual end date. This parameter captures whenever a site moves its stage to completed. Next is source of lead. So currently, from where is my lead getting captured? So I'm entering some values. Also, you can see the state. You can select some values: Maharashtra, Mumbai, Mumbai 1. Pin code is 40099. Road name is Kamote Road. Area name is Kamota. Landmark Pune, Mumbai, expressway, locality, Panvel, and then if he is to enter building value, Green Valley, floor is third floor, room number is 301. Then comes the AID name. The AID name appears, you can on click of it. As you can see, whatever AID, whatever cluster which you have entered over here, only those cluster based AID names will appear over here. So Rakesh Ambasna is one of the user where one of the AID records wherein it's having a cluster same as that of the site cluster, that is Mumbai 1. So I'm selecting Rakesh Ambasna. Contractor known is yes. Dealer is Darshan. Contractor A Mohanraj. Next comes other details. These are some values which needs to be entered manually by the BD user. First is photography permission taken. So it depends upon the user to if he has taken permission to click the pictures of the particular site. Next is photography done. Once the photography has been completed or done, he can select on this checkbox. If the site has been verified by RSM, he can select this checkbox. And next comes the site image URL. As soon as the BDE clicks the pictures, he will upload those pictures into the ICA Google Drive. The link for that drive will then be captured and copy will be pasted over here. And now I'm saving this record. As soon as you save the records, you can see all the record page for site. You can see there are various stages over here in this particular record. All the details have been captured. Thank you.